Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the LED door sill plates. They are a fantastic addition to any car and can add both style and functionality. They are easy to install and come in a variety of colors to match the interior of your vehicle. Here are a few aspects that stand out. Firstly, the LED lights light up the threshold area that can otherwise be dark and hard to see, particularly in low light conditions. This not only provides an added aesthetic value to the car but also enhances safety. Secondly, the installation process is simple and straightforward, and the sill plates can be installed in just a few minutes. This feature is particularly appealing to those who are not mechanically inclined and want a quick and easy upgrade to their car. Thirdly, LED door sill plates are made of durable and scratch-resistant materials that can withstand the constant wear and tear of getting in and out of the vehicle. They do not easily get damaged by shoes or other items that come into contact with the door sill plate. Lastly, the lighting feature can be conveniently turned on and off with a simple push button that is integrated into the sill plate. This means that you can choose when to use this feature, saving energy while still having the option to illuminate the door sill at night. Overall, the LED door sill plates are a great investment for any car owner who wants to add a touch of style and functionality to their vehicle. With their durability, ease of installation, and safety features, they are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.